Here we have a 2020 Mercedes-AMG A35 4MATIC Premium. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch twin-spoke alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the silver AMG brake calipers just behind, Cosmos black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille, the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Round to the passenger side you'll find the chrome door handles, we have the colour-coded door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the rear spoiler just here, sitting nice and flush with the rest of the body. Front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera, dual exit exhaust and the rear diffuser. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so in the back first you find the full leather interior. We have the grey stitching, foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO points just down there. The vents for the rear passengers along with the storage nets behind the front seats as well. We have the electric windows. Coming into the front you find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. On the doors, as you can see, they are also heated. We have the electric windows with a trowel out for the rear, electric mirrors as well. Just there you'll find the auto lights. We also have a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button just there, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we can control this digital dashboard using this side of the steering wheel. So if we press home you'll find all of these options just here to go through. So if we go into the trip, you can see how many miles we've done. We've also got the miles per hour. You can swipe to the right and you can change all of these dials just like so as well. You can do it the same on the left hand side as well. We also have the sat nav, so we can get the navigation just there as well. As you can see, you can have half a screen, or if we go down once more you get a full screen just like that, as you can see. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre console just there. Again, we have the sat nav on here. We also have the radio as well, which is where you find the FM, DAB and AM radio. We have a range of media such as the Bluetooth and the USB, the phone connectivity as well. If you go into the home you find these options that we've just been through. If you go into the comfort, this is where you find the ambient lighting. As you can see, there's quite a few colours to choose from. Also, if we go to the performance just here, this is where you can adjust the individual drive mode. So you can see you've got a few options to change through just there. We also have the, if we go back, the information on the vehicle and along with the engine and the consumption as well just there. We also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just here. If you go into the settings, this is where you find the assistance, making it a very safe car to drive. Putting it into reverse, this is where you find the reversing camera just there. As you can see, we've got a couple options to choose from along with the parking assist as well just there. Putting it back into park, further down you find the vents. You may be able to see the ambient lighting just inside of there. Climate control with the ice cold air conditioning all works just as it should do. Some storage space inside of here with the wireless charging. We also have a Type-C USB port and two good sized cup holders that can be closed off just like so. Nice touchpad just here for the infotainment screen. We also have the drive mode buttons just here, so we have all of these drive modes such as the slippery, individual, we have comfort, sport and sport plus as well. And then all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen as well. So for example, if we press onto the navigation, then the sat nav will come up just like so. We have the nice leather armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. And inside of there you find two more Type-C USB ports. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG Premium. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not to fight with steering wheel to keep it in any straight lines, going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift on the rear for steering the car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. We have your touchpads on either side of the steering wheel there as well. The one on the right hand side controls the instrument cluster in front of it, which is fully customisable, which you saw on the walk around video. And the one on the left hand side controls the screen in the centre, which is also a touchscreen, and you can also use the touchpad down there to control it. Now I do have a very comfortable full leather seats throughout this vehicle with the extended thigh support. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 4 400 miles in this vehicle, still got feeling fresh. Now for those cold winter mornings, we do also have your heated seats just there as well. Now throughout this vehicle you do get to the ambient lighting. Now at night it really does come to life, in the day not so, but at night it really does come to life and does look absolutely incredible, really making the atmosphere in here very, very nice. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which always bonus when buying a used car. Now other features on this vehicle is you do get the brush metal and your gloss black trim throughout the interior. Now going over any unwanted bumps in the road, it absorbs them very, very well. Go over potholes, over speed bumps. It is a very comfortable driving car. No unwanted knocks or bangs when going over uneven surfaces. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership. We're over 500 5-star reviews on Google Auto Trading Car Gurus. Now if you read through reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good you are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. We do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so whether you are in the country, we can facilitate that delivery. So whether you're up in Aberdeen in Scotland or down in the south coast of Cornwall, we can facilitate those deliveries. Now in a minute I'm going to take a left turn into the industrial estate. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and pop straight into reverse. Now I'm going to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So just coming up to it right now, and hopefully there's no cars, so I can do the emergency stop straight away, and I'll do a countdown from 3 there as well. So no cars, so countdown from 3, so 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just popping up in the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Then again, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you have answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Here to hear from you soon. Cheers.